Okay, let's imagine this for a moment about an hypothetical company you and I are building together. Let's say our company makes a hardware device. For simplicity, let's call it a modem. Now, maybe some of you are too young to remember what a modem was, but picture this out. It's a device that connects the content of something that displays at your home, like your television. Supposedly, we are able to sell this modem for $99. And our addressable market is all those 125 million households in United States. Honestly, for me, this is huge. We are dreaming big, expecting to be widely successful, selling replacement modem to every household in a span of every 2 years. Now, let's be ambitious. We are aiming for a 60% market share, and we are projecting a healthy 10% profit margin on each device. So, here's a question. How would you value this company? Great. Let me make this maths easy for you. Let's say about 4 billion in annual revenue and roughly about 400 million in profit each year. Guess what? Typically, a hardware company like this would be valued at about 5 times its profit. But let's be generous. Let's not say 5, but 15 times its profit. That puts a company's value at 6 billion. Right? Now, here's where the things get really interesting. Let me tell you about a real company. This company makes only 2 billion in revenue, half of what a hypothetical company does. It has 30% market share, not the 60% though, and it doesn't make any profit at all. Not even a single dollar. So, how would you value this real company? Okay, if you're guessing wild, let me remind you of a hypothetical company was valued at 6 billion. Maybe you're thinking now, okay, maybe this real company is worth $1 billion at best. But let me add a twist to it. Two of the biggest companies in the world, Apple and Amazon, are pouring money into this space, fighting to get the market share of this real company. So, what do you think the real company value would be now? Maybe you might think maybe about a billion again, right? But here's a shocker. This real company is actually valued at 45 billion. Yes, you heard me right. The $45 billion value company. So which company is this? It's Roku, a company that sells device that connects the streaming content to your television. Now, here's the lesson. The catch is Roku's massive valuation has nothing to do with being a hardware company. Shocking, isn't it? It's because they have transformed themselves into a data company. Yes, they have gone beyond selling the device with a thin margin and instead they have leveraged the data flowing through the systems. But how did they do that? Let me share a pivotal moment. Back in 2009, Roku acquired a company called DataZoo. They started using data they collected to help advertisers target the viewers, not just selling the hardware device, the bridge between the content at TV, but unlocking the power of viewers' behavior data. And that's what drove the astounding valuation. My friend, this is the heart of data strategy. It's about treating data as a strategical engine for your business, the force that drives the growth, innovation, and value. Now, listen me out. If you start thinking this way, if you see data not as a byproduct but as a core asset, you can build a company that grows rapidly and become a truly valued to your investors. In this series, I want to show you exactly how to make this transformation. We'll explore practical frameworks, ways to assess your data maturity in the data strategy way, how to actually build a data strategy that works, and how to create real measurable value. We'll talk about perspectives, how to generate and harness insights that matters, and how to go from strategy to action. My hope is simple that by the end of the journey, you'll have the tools and confidence to take your company to the next level. Not just by building a data strategy, but by making it work in the real world. So let's get started and let's unlock the power of data together. Are you with me?